MM367. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Adelpha Ekondi, excited to apply for domestic helper position with 4 years experience in childcare and household working. I'm hardworking, reliable, flexible with strong, confident to maintaining a clean and optimized home. I'm
Okay,
also
you're from Palawan, right? How far away from Palawan to Manila?
uh, only 45 minutes, sir, if you in airplane. But
Mm.
if in the ship, like 2 days and 1 night.
So you're a single mother. You have a partner
Yes.
or no more partner?
No more partner, sir.
No more partner. Okay.
Yes.
So who will take care of your children?
My sister,
Okay. And okay. So you said you have 4 years DH experience. Tell me about that. The one in Philippines and the one in Middle East.
yes. I work in Philippines for Mr. and Mrs. Atwell. My boss is a back manager and they have kids, 2 kids. I I caring the kids for like example like taking shower, feeding, and 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 caring if they have illness like that. And I clean house, cook, simple cooking, and I do washing, ironing. The same in my the same in my employer in Saudi. I do like that. The same work.
So the condition in Middle East, what country is that?
Saudi, Dammam, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi. Mm.
Yeah.
And how many helper in the house?
I am the only one helper in the house in Saudi Arabia.
Then how many people you serve?
I serve 4 people.
Well, here you put down five. One child.
Four kids. I have one kid, 5 years old, and adult 38 and 28. Then the old is 51 and 56.
Okay. So tell me your daily work there. What time you wake up? How did you do your job?
In the morning, I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then I clean first the living room. After I cleaning the living room, I clean the kitchen. After that, my employer is still sleeping. I do cooking for the breakfast. And after they wake up, then the baby is wake up, I carry the baby. And
Mm.
after the baby, and if the baby sleep like that, sleep, finish everything, I clean in the stairs up
Mm.
because they are all wake up.
And
And after they are all wake up, they go all work. Then me and the baby is uh, live in the house only.
mm-hmm.
Then if the baby is sleeping, I do. If I'm not finished cleaning, I continue to clean to
Okay.
complete my work.
Okay. Do you have to do cooking?
Yes, I do cooking.
Okay. So you know Chinese cooking?
I want to learn, sir,
Mm-hmm.
because in Saudi, I only know cook Saudi food, and in here in Philippines, Filipino food like that only. I don't have experience in Chinese cooking.
Okay, you only worked for 2 years in Saudi. Why you did
Yes,
not continue?
I decided to apply in Hong Kong because the salary is higher and Hong Kong is a good country, open country,
Mm, I see.
and I want to, yes,
Mm. So, did you raise up your children since birth?
yes, sir.
Can you
I
take care of
raise up
newborn baby?
my newborn baby.
Yes,
Yes, I care.
you can.
Yes.
How to take good care of a newborn baby?
Uh, in my experience, in the morning before if she wake up or he wake up, I take her to shower, then feed after feeding. I'm taking care to sleep. Then if she sick, I tell to my mom, my bada, my boss that the baby is not good, is not feeling well, so that they know
So,
how to how, how they know that the baby is not good.
okay, if the baby keep crying, what should you check?
I check if she I check if she's hungry or she want to eat, she want to care to go outside. Like I make the baby good, and maybe I ask to the mommy or what if she is not feeling well, like that, sir.
Okay, sing a song to baby.
I only know, sir, Tagalog sing. It's
It's
okay.
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 Like, bahay kubo kahit muntik, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani.
Well, actually, it's quite nice, but you better learn at least one English song. Okay? You can learn it from
Okay,
YouTube.
sir.
Okay? Because they
Okay,
prefer
sir.
you to teach
I,
them English song instead of Tagalog song. Okay?
okay, sir. I want to learn the English song
Yes. So if you take care young kids, say 5 years old, 7 years old, what can you teach them in Hong Kong?
in Hong Kong. I teach her good attitude, how to respect adult, olds, how to how to avoid bad words like that, how to eat in a good way because some kids now is not maybe they want playing only playing like that. I teach them a good attitude, a good uh, children as long as um as long as I can do, sir. I do my best to teach them a good attitude.
Okay. And uh, how would you describe yourself? What kind of person you are?
Okay, me as I describe myself as a stronger woman. With two kids, I do everything to my kids. Even if it's hard, I do for them. to give them a good future. I'm not like some girls that if in the hardest time, in the hardest if they experiencing hardest time, they give up. Me, I don't give up. I don't give up.
Well,
I try.
that is a good attitude. I like it. So,
Yes,
if we offer you a job in Hong Kong, how many
yes.
years you want to work there?
I work as long as I can, sir.
5 years, 10 years?
Yes, sir. I work as as long as I can, as long as my employer want me to work for them, to serve their family, I work.
Okay. How many children you can take care?
I can take care of 5 children like that because I take care here in my in Philippines. I take care 6 children. I can do take care 6 children like that or more than like that.
Okay. What age group of children you can take care?
I can take care babies, teenagers, like that. As long as they need to take caring, they need to take care. I can take care of them.
Okay. Give a message to your future employer.
Okay. To my future employer, I promise that I do my job. I do everything as you want. I don't want to make you angry or mad to me. I I do my best for your family.
Okay.
Yes.
MM367，我俾個 rating 係 AA 加加嘅。佢36歲，嚟自南部。咁有2年中東、2年本地嘅原約經驗，都係湊小朋友、做家務，都係單一傭工嘅。咁佢而家就想嚟香港啦，因為佢2個細路，5歲、15歲，需要供書教學，所以佢想喺香港賺多啲錢，揾多啲人工啦。咁佢英文都流利嘅，咁自己湊大個 baby，所以佢可以湊 baby 啦、小朋友啦、教下功課啦，簡單嘅。咁個人都成熟穩重，有笑容。咁佢就話佢自己即係好需要份工，亦都唔會輕易 give up。咁呢個都係可信。咁所以我俾個 rating 咧，亦都係俾 AA 加加佢。咁佢有出國經驗打底啦，咁呢樣嘢都係好嘅。咁所以個 rating 係 AA 加加。